Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by uploading the PDF to Google Drive using the Upload button. Use drag and drop into Drive folders if that is faster. After upload, right-click the file and choose Open with Google Docs to convert it. The document opens as an editable Google Doc with extracted text. Conversion preserves most text, but can alter layout, images, and complex formatting. Expect manual adjustments for columns, tables, and fonts after conversion. Save a copy of the original PDF before making any edits in Docs. Once the PDF is in Google Docs, edit text directly like a normal document. Select paragraphs, fix line breaks, and correct OCR errors as you go. To change images, right-click an image and choose Replace Image or drag a new file into place. Resize images by dragging corners and use wrap text or break text for layout control. For tables, recreate them manually using Insert then Table when conversion produced plain text. Review headings and spacing to match the original document precisely. After editing, export the document back to PDF using File then Download as PDF. Choose Print Layout and review pagination before exporting to preserve page breaks. Alternatively, use Drive sharing to grant view or comment access without downloading a new file. Use version history to name or revert versions before creating the final PDF. If you need higher fidelity, use a dedicated PDF editor after exporting. Finally, test the downloaded PDF to confirm fonts, images, and pages appear correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.